The predecessor of the National Atomic Energy Research Institute was the Institute of Nuclear Energy Research, INER. It is an all-round atomic energy research institution that pursues dignity in life, quality of life, and ecological sustainability. On September 27, 2023, it was restructured into Incorporated Administrative Agency NARI. Over the years, we have continued to focus on R&D in three major areas of science and technology, including nuclear safety and nuclear backend, biomedicine and medical devices, new energy and system integration. NARI covers an area of approximately 124 acres, employs nearly 1,000 staff members, and has an annual budget of nearly $130 million. We have brought together various professional talents to form a top research and development team so that we are always ahead for you. Decommissioning of nuclear power plants. NARI has established a decommissioning project, planning and management system. In order to face future challenges, our institute has gradually established a specialized team for nuclear power plant decommissioning to drive the development of the decommissioning industry. Nuclear power plant safety assessment. NARI has established proprietary technologies such as nuclear reactor core neutron analysis, core refueling independent verification, computational fluid dynamics analysis. The established probabilistic risk assessment technology, under the leadership of President Kyaw Tzu-mu, its application has been expanded to non-nuclear industries, including domestic liquefied natural gas supply safety assessments and power grid resilience risk analysis. The National Radiation Standard Laboratory in Taiwan is responsible for maintaining the highest standards. The Food Radioactivity Testing Laboratory has professional capabilities for nuclear species identification. To assess the impact of releasing tritium-containing wastewater into the ocean in Japan, our institute established a tritium bioassay laboratory in 2022. We have also cooperated in making relevant testing information publicly available on interagency platforms, ensuring the ongoing radiation safety in the diet of our citizens. We own Taiwan's only medium-sized cyclotron, which is used to manufacture radioactive injections and supply them to over 50 domestic hospitals. To ensure the stability of the domestic supply and demand for nuclear medicine, our institute has planned to establish a 70 MeV medium-sized cyclotron in 2023, and construction began in June 2024. In the future, our institute will leverage the 70 MeV cyclotron set to be operational in 2027 as a core technological hub to establish a key center in Asia for the production and application of radiopharmaceuticals. We aim to foster greater international collaboration in nuclear medicine and radiopharmaceutical research and development. In the future, we will expand into satellite and semiconductor radiation-resistant testing technology, develop new drugs for precision cancer treatment, and explore advanced material applications. Our institute is also extending the research and development of radiation technology into the field of medical equipment, developing advanced 3D X-ray imaging devices and incorporating the latest AI technology into smart medical research. A nuclear medicine and molecular imaging development and application seminar was held to promote the development of nuclear medicine and molecular imaging technology in clinical applications in Taiwan, continuously fostering closer collaboration and exchange with the domestic medical community. We have also signed memorandums of understanding, MOUs, with Taichung Veterans General Hospital, Chung-Shan Medical University Hospital, Taipei Veterans General Hospital, Tung's Metro Harbor Hospital, and Changbing Shou Chuan Memorial Hospital to jointly advance radiopharmaceuticals and the application of artificial intelligence in medical imaging technologies, opening a new chapter in the evolution of precision medicine in Taiwan. In addition, NARI has signed an MOU with Best Theratronics Limited of Canada to jointly integrate Taiwan's radiopharmaceutical technologies and R&D achievements, expanding into Southeast Asian markets, and further driving the growth of related domestic industries. Direcca Positron Liver Receptor Imaging Agent is an advanced medical imaging technology developed by our hospital to assist physicians in more accurately assessing liver health. This agent features rapid preparation, stable quality, and the advantage of room temperature storage, enabling convenient transport worldwide and on-site formulation at local medical institutions, thereby greatly improving diagnostic efficiency and convenience. This technology marks our hospital's achievement of once again winning the R&D 100 Awards in 2025, this time for pharmaceutical innovation, following 3 previous honors in the field of energy and sustainable technology between 2021 and 2023. Our institute has been actively advancing research on small modular reactors, SMRs, focusing on key issues such as thermal hydraulic safety, core dynamics, severe accident analysis, and seismic isolation. In 2026, a 1-year low-carbon and high-energy density SMR research project will be launched, followed by a 4-year mid- to long-term program from 2027 to 2030 to strengthen Taiwan's independent nuclear safety analysis capabilities. Looking ahead, we aim to achieve 3 major goals: enhancing nuclear safety, minimizing nuclear waste, and establishing a robust regulatory framework. By fostering collaboration among industry, academia, and research institutions, we are working to build a national SMR team and accelerate progress a net zero future. Development of fusion technology. NARI is collaborating with National Chung Kung University, National Tsinghua University, and the National Center for High Performance Computing to advance an integrated project on research on the magnetic confinement of high-temperature plasma. The goal is to complete Taiwan's first small-scale spherical tokamak experimental device within 4 years, which will be named First Integrated Research Spherical Tokamak. The device is scheduled to begin test operations in 2027. Microgrids and localized distribution network management systems. Our institute successfully transferred microgrid technology to many domestic manufacturers, thereby greatly increasing the utilization of renewable energy in order to cope with the incorporation of a large amount of renewable energy into the power distribution system in the future. We apply microgrid technology to the power distribution system and collaborate with Taiwan Power Company to develop a localized power distribution network management system, which combines power distribution monitoring with supervisory control and data acquisition and geographic information system to detect, isolate, and restore feed fault locations. We also clinched the prestigious the Global Top 100 Science and Technology Research and Development Award and the Distinguished Achievement Award for Civil Servants in 2021 with our Intelligent Distribution Network Management System, IDNMS, technology. New type of plasma coating multiple nanolayer thermal insulation film technology with relevant certification granted. Developed in collaboration with manufacturers, only costs 1/3 compared to that of the customary technology product. Furthermore, in response to Taiwan's 2050 net zero emissions trend, our institute has developed the innovative high-density electric arc plasma source and its mass production process equipment. This development has led to the creation of novel nanoscale porous membranes. In 2022, under the theme of low-carbon production, low-cost innovative electrochromic glass mass production, IDIMT technology, in collaboration with technology transfer partners, were jointly honored with the Global Top 100 Science and Technology Research and Development Award for 2022. Biomass refining technology. NARI has long developed biomass energy technologies based on agricultural and forestry waste. NARI has also built the first and only biorefinery testing plant in Taiwan. In recent years, we have further expanded related core technologies to various different fields, such as biodegradable plastics. The established carbon-negative biomaterial refining technology, in collaboration with the forestry industry in New Zealand, aims to promote sustainable forest development, reduce waste and carbon emissions, and address existing industry waste issues. In 2023, the carbon-negative biomass refining technology for forest waste conversion into high-value green chemicals, was honored with the Global Top 100 Science and Technology Research and Development Award. Additionally, we have partnered with Taisuger and Nice Enterprise to implement our negative carbon technology. This process captures CO2 from flue gas and transforms it into valuable carbonate and bicarbonate materials for use in household cleaning products, turning carbon waste into resources for a more sustainable future. National Atomic Research Institute, after half a century of transformation and growth, not only become the only professional R&D institution in Taiwan that combines nuclear safety, nuclear back-end technologies, civil application of radiation and new energy technology, and promote the industrial applications of these technologies, yielding fruitful results in the process. Since 2024, our institute has organized annual investment matchmaking events, attracting professionals and leaders from industry, government, and academia. These events showcase the latest technological achievements of Taiwan's only research institute dedicated to nuclear energy, emerging technologies, and renewable energy. The goal is to foster meaningful exchanges and collaborations, create win-win opportunities, and lay a solid foundation for future cooperation in driving technological innovation and advancement. Since November 2024, NARI has established a solid partnership with the Idaho National Laboratory, INL, in the United States. The two parties hold quarterly technical exchange meetings to stay aligned with global trends in nuclear R&D and actively engage in international collaboration. Through the U.S.-Taiwan Civil Nuclear Research and Development Exchange meetings, our institute has deepened bilateral cooperation in nuclear technology and engaged in discussions with the U.S. Department of Energy on various collaborative initiatives. We also invited representatives from multiple foreign offices in Taiwan to visit NARI for exchange, and actively engaged in overseas visits and international conferences, further strengthening international partnerships in energy and nuclear technology, and establishing a solid foundation for long-term global cooperation. NARI is also dedicated to utilizing nuclear energy and related technologies to develop sustainable and modern energy solutions through system integration and technology diffusion. This is aimed at achieving the nation's goal of net zero emissions while concurrently promoting the health and the well-being of our citizens.